We're a Microsoft partner. We focus on business applications, delivering value to our customers throughout the English and Dutch-speaking Caribbean. Initially, I didn't have expectations, really. I met some of the Factorial people at a conference in Miami. They were really friendly. I liked the story about the company and the growth, how many customers they had achieved in such a short period of time.
A lot of our clientele, either they were on local solutions that only did a couple modules within HR, or they were still very manual. What we found with Factorial is that they covered all of those gaps very well.
We mainly sell Microsoft Business Central, and it has capabilities around finance, supply chain, but the HR was a gap. So now with the Factorial edition, we can do the HR portion, and we're building a payroll module in there too. So we'll have a complete solution we can offer to our customers.
When we initially met with Factorial, and we saw the kind of growth that they were doing in other markets, immediately myself and the CEO decided that for us to really leverage the product and for us to really put it into the space within our region properly, a dedicated rep was non-negotiable.
I think what surprised me mainly is the degree of support that they provided, because what you'll find is that vendors will often talk about the support they're going to give you, but you don't always get it the way they promise. And in this case, they did deliver.
Immediately, they started with sales enablement and sales training. They worked alongside our sellers. They did presentations alongside them. It felt like it was a very harmonious relationship. All of our prospects and all of our clients saw Factorial and Davyn as one, and that really helped to move most of our deals forward. One of our largest deals was for a 1,000 employee customer. They were looking for a unified solution. After seeing what Factorial had, they didn't even wait for the ERP business to get booked. They started the Factorial project 2 months in advance of when we started the ERP project.
We've had good success in Trinidad, so really in the next year we want to focus more on the Caribbean region.
And we're very excited about it for all the partner support that we've received so far, and we think it's the core and most critical reason for the success that we're seeing right now and the success that we plan to have going forward.